Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we're looking at a 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX with an outboard. It does come with the trailer that's powder coated. Tandem trailer with disc brakes. It's powered by a Mercury 200 horsepower V6. Stepping up on the back of the boat, you got a nice sun pad here. You've got sea deck throughout the boat. Lots of seating. Coming up to the captain's seat, you've got a separate seat with a bolster, large Simrad screen, Fusion radio, your active trim. Stepping up front, got a nice seating area here. This has the cushion inserted already. Get your speakers on both sides. Plenty of storage. Also have storage underneath here. Storage under the seat, plus through the walkway. Also under here, and then a big area back here for all your water sports. Thanks for watching today. Come and visit us at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks.